Hello, children. Good morning. How are you all? Fine. Okay, so today we are going to study subject English of class 4. Your poem number 7, A Watering Rhyme. First, we will recite the poem and then I will explain you. Okay, so let's get started. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. Early in the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. Watering at the noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only make them die. Watering at the noonday when the sun is high doesn't help the flowers, only make them die. Also, when you water at the roots, flower keep their mouth where we should wear our boots. Flower keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat. The flowers will have water for the thirsty feet. The flowers will have their water for the thirsty feet. Okay, children, so did you like the poem? Yes, now I will explain you.
How do plants grow? So children, before we start the poem, tell me, did you know plants and humans have many things in common? Plants are living things just like us and they need food to grow like us. But what are the foods that plants need to grow? They need sunlight, carbon dioxide, water, and rich soil for their growth. Plants need water, sunlight, and carbon dioxide to make their food by a process called photosynthesis. In the morning or the evening hour are the times to water every kind of flower. This means that the correct time of the day to water plants or flowers of all the types is early morning or evening. Watering at the noonday when the sun is high does not help the flowers, only makes them die. So children, the poet further tells us that if we water plants during the noon, that is when the sun is shining overhead, the flowers may die. So we should water plants in the morning or the evening hours instead of noon time. Also, when you water at the roots, flowers keep their mouths where we should wear our boots. In the second stanza, it is given that whenever you water the plants, you should water them at the roots because flowers have their mouths in the ground or in their feet at the place where we wear our boots or shoes. It is so because water is transported to all the parts of a plant from downward direction to upward direction. Soak the earth around them, then through all the heat, the flowers will have water for their thirsty feet. So children, here the poet is telling that you should give water to the earth. Earth means soil around the plants so that they may quench their thirst which has been caused due to excess heat. Here, the feet of the plants are considered thirsty because it is the place where we have to water the plants so that they may have a better growth. growth.
Okay children, so did you understand? Very good. Now we will meet in a next video. Till that, bye bye. Thank you.